Hi guys! So today we're going to be working on writing. So our learning target is I can write a true story about me. Can everybody go ahead and say that with me? I can write a true story about me. Yeah, does anybody remember what a true story about you is? What's that called? Yeah, it's called a personal narrative. So today we're going to be working on the beginning. So our two learning targets we're going to be working on today, because before you can write the beginning, you have to choose a small moment. So our first one is I can choose a small moment. These are the same learning targets that are on our clip chart at school, and I just wrote them out on here for you. And then our next learning target is I can make a beginning for my story. So let's start off with our first learning target. I can choose a small moment. So I drew this little thing over here, and that is a seed. Why did I draw a seed? Yeah, because we need to choose a seed topic and not just a watermelon topic. So let's think of some topics that we can use. So remember we talked about some topics in class. You can talk about a time that you went to the park or a time you went to a restaurant. You can talk about hanging out with your cousins the other day. Whatever you want to talk about to make a true story about yourself. So I'm going to choose a topic, and I'm going to choose about going to a restaurant. But that, my friends, is a big watermelon topic. My big watermelon topic is going to a restaurant. So that's my watermelon topic. How can I make this topic smaller? How can I make it? So I need to make going to a restaurant a seed, because we don't want a big watermelon topic. We want a seed topic. So I'm going to talk about a time. So my topic is going to be about a time I went to McDonald's. And it's going to be a certain time I went to McDonald's, and it's going to be about whenever I went to McDonald's and bought a really yucky coffee. So that's an even smaller seed, okay? So I chose my small moment, so I'm going to give you guys a moment to choose your small moment. If you can pause the video, you can go ahead and do that. All right, so then I'm going to move on to I can make a beginning for my story. Can everybody go ahead and read that with me? I can make a beginning for my story. All right, so let's go ahead and make a beginning for my story. So we're going to look down here at our beginning words, some words that we can help use to make our beginning. So we can use words like one day, last night, last week, a long time ago, in the summer, over the weekend, last fall, or we can even talk about yesterday. So these are all things that we can talk about. So I'm going to use one day. So I'm going to go ahead and take a minute and write that. So just give me one moment. All right, so here's the beginning of my story. I wrote one day, so my beginning word I used was this one right here. You do not have to use the same one as me. You can pick a different one. So mine says, one day I went to McDonald's. I was so thirsty. Why did I capitalize McDonald's? Yeah, I capitalized McDonald's because it is a place. And then look, I put a period there and I put a period there. Why did I capitalize one? Yeah, because it's the beginning of a sentence. So I chose a really small moment, and the small moment I chose is about going to McDonald's. And later in my story, I'm going to talk about getting a coffee, but we will talk about that next tomorrow. So I'm going to challenge you guys all to go back and you guys are going to choose a small moment. Remember, a seed topic, not a really big moment, but a really tiny moment instead. And then after you choose a small moment, you guys are going to write the beginning of your story. When you are done, please take a picture of it and send it on Class Dojo. I cannot wait to read these. All right, I miss you guys. Bye.